concerned about how Valerie Patterson got a job at a daycare center with a lengthy criminal history. Community Nursery and Preschool is a faith-based organization and does not have to meet the same requirements as state license programs. As News 5's Katarina Lukatic reports, the governor is now calling for all daycare centers in Alabama to be licensed.
With 12 prior arrests, community members are shocked Valerie Patterson even worked at a daycare.
I could not believe that.
Shouldn't she have failed a criminal background check? Not necessarily. Community Nursery and Preschool is a faith-based organization and does not need to undergo the same stricter regulations state-licensed daycares go through. In addition, church-run daycare workers are not required to pass a criminal background check.
There should be regulations saying that they have to do certain things and make sure they go through the right procedures.
This morning, Governor Ivey weighed in on the issue.
I strongly favor that if you're going to be a daycare center for children, you need to be licensed by the state.
A bill that did not make it through the Alabama legislature this year would have required more oversight of church-run daycares by the Department of Human Resources. The bill still allowed them to exempt licensing. However, they would have had to publicly display signs indicating they are not licensed. Governor Ivey's remarks suggest the state go a step further, requiring all daycare centers, regardless of affiliation, to obtain a state license.
Any child that's in a care of a daycare center, that center needs to be licensed to ensure that we've got quality folks rendering quality service to protect our children.
The Alabama legislature's next regular session isn't until February of next year, but other state leaders are already on board for doing what they can to keep our kids out of harm's way.
We have an obligation to our children and families to make sure that they would be safe.
For News 5, I'm Katarina Lukatic.
And we want to know what you think about daycare legislation in Alabama. So we put up this poll on our WKRG Facebook fan page asking, should church daycares be required to have a state license? Hundreds of you have responded so far, and there's still time for you to weigh in about 10 minutes. News 5's JP Buno will break down the results.